Hi, I'm Chris, an engineer with Duke Energy One. I specialize in helping our large energy customers find the right solutions to meet their business needs and keep operations running smoothly. We're back for another episode of Engineer versus Algorithm, where we put my industry know-how to the test against an AI chatbot. You ready, Al?
I'm ready.
Let's go. What is the maintenance schedule I should follow for my commercial backup generator?
Here's a standard maintenance timeline. Weekly, visual inspection, check fluid levels, battery check, verify startup and basic operation. Monthly, exercise generator under load, check control panel, inspect belts, hoses, and connections, verify automatic transfer switch function. Quarterly, fuel systems inspection, coolant system inspection, air intake and exhaust inspection. Semi-annually, change oil and oil filter, change fuel filter, clean or replace air filter, check battery voltage and load test, test APS under load, inspect and clean spark plugs. Annually, full load bank test, coolant flush and refill.
When it comes to things like flushing and replacing fluids, in most cases it's not on a fixed schedule. It really depends on testing and what those results show. That's why real-world testing under actual load conditions is key to getting the most out of your maintenance plan.
Replace belts and hoses. If signs of aging, check electrical connections. Emissions check. Regulatory compliance test. Update software, firmware, if applicable.
3 quarterly inspections and 1 large maintenance inspection is generally adequate per year.
Always keep a logbook and document every inspection, test, and service. This helps with warranty claims, compliance inspections, and future troubleshooting.
Keeping a logbook is a really good idea. Thanks, Al.
You're welcome.
Another thing to consider is that your routine maintenance and schedules can differ based on industry. For example, let's consider the manufacturing industry. Depending on what a company is making, it could cost one company thousands of dollars per hour of downtime and millions to another. Downtime costs can influence how frequently a plant manager wants to perform preventive maintenance. There's one thing I've learned, is that no two businesses are alike. Their energy needs and how they maintain equipment have to fit their goals and how they operate. Al, giving you a passable this time.
I'll take it.
Get information you can trust from those you know, like me, and reach out to our expert energy services team when you've got questions.